Are about to get started. Ms. Moore, who is your client?
Your Honor, it's Mr. Patel. I am covering for Attorney Buds, my law partner. He had a conflict.
You said Mr. Patel?
Mr. Patel.
It's for the motion, Judge.
It's for the motion. Okay, Ms. Moore, I'm gonna have to adjourn that matter. I don't have a written response yet. So I'm gonna let you know when we have the answer.
Okay. You have everything from both counsels, though, Your Honor, correct?
Yes. We've,
Okay.
at this point, I'm just figuring out my ruling. So I've heard
Okay.
testimony, or at least arguments on your side and Ms. Horn's. It makes sense a little bit more now by Ms. Horn's in the courtroom as well.
Okay.
So I apologize. As soon as I have that done, I will call your office and let you know.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You
Okay,
too.
works for me,
Ms.
Your
Horn.
Honor. Thank you.
All right.
And have a great day, everyone.
You too.
You too.
You too. You can put that Patel case back on the 440 docket.
Okay.
I
Any-
did what we
any-
needed to do.
What, any Wednesday, Judge, or?
Any Wednesday. Give me a couple weeks though.
Okay, I'll just call Christina for a date.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
All right. Looks like we're ready to get going.
Yeah, Judge, I think that, iPhone user, I think that person that was my number 2, which was, Larry Brown. I think he must have fell off, but I think the iPhone phone user would be, number 2, Larry Brown.
Yeah, we give him a
I think-
shot.
Okay.
Brown, how you doing this morning?
Fine, how are you?
Doing all right. Miss Brown, what is your middle name?
Charlene.
Okay, 1 second, Miss Brown. All right, this is State of Michigan versus Ashley Charlene Brown, case SP 106761 and case 15449-891. Ms. Brown, you are charged one count of driving while license suspended, 2020 case, one charge of driving without a license, a 2015 matter. I'm going to remove the warrants on both of these cases. Ms. Brown, if you'd like to resolve these matters today, I would amend the driving while license suspended ticket to failure to display a valid license, which is a no point offense. And if you plead to that, I'll dismiss the second ticket. The fine will be $240, but I will give you time to pay that.
Okay.
Do you want to take that deal?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Brown, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Brown, directing your attention to the date of March 14th, 2020. Ma'am, were you driving without a license in the area of Davison and Washburn?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea to the amended charge of failure to display a valid license. I'm gonna dismiss ticket 15449-2891 pursuant to this agreement. Ms. Brown, I'm gonna assess a fine of $240. Ma'am, I know you posted a bond. How much did you post in bond?
200.
Okay, so the fine is $240. We could apply that 200. When do you think you can pay the balance?
I could pay it today after probably at one. Today
Okay.
at 1.
Month, just to be sure. We'll say May 19th.
Okay.
Anytime. If you don't have it paid by the 19th, just zoom back in, ask for some more time, okay?
Okay. And the remaining balance will be 40, right?
$40, and then I think you have a reinstatement fee as well.
Okay.
$5.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions?
That's it.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. Can you tell me your name?
Kyrie Bolden.
One more time.
Kyrie Bolden.
Bolden. Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning.
How
Good
you doing?
morning. I'm good.
Mr. Chambers, I believe you're waiting for the officer on your case.
Yes, Judge, and I'm in no rush. I'm in 2 hearings in circuit court, but I wanted to pop my face in just to let you know that I am here.
Okay, you give us about 5 minutes. It'll be 9:30. I can call the case.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right.
Judge, can you call me on the phone, please?
Sure.
Courtroom. Okay.
Good night, everybody.
Your Honor, if I may.
All right, Ms. Bolden, sorry about that. Let me call your cases. This
Okay.
is State of Michigan versus Kyrie Bolden, case SP 769077, counts 1 and 2. SP 970581, counts 1, 2, and 3. SX 3594860, counts 1 and counts 1 and 3, excuse me.
Mhm.
Case 173009461, counts 1 and 2. And 173614621. Let's see if there's anything else. I believe that's it. Ms. Bolden, ma'am, it looks like you took care of the number of the civil infractions already. Is that right?
Yes.
How much did you wind up paying?
$1,700 in cash. And plus I think they took my state too, because it was supposed to be like $1,300. It was only 3 and I didn't owe nothing else but tickets. But I paid $1,700 in cash.
You posted a couple bonds too.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ms. Bolden, I'll make you a deal today.
Okay.
Please
I'm trying to get my license back.
listen to me. You pleaded
Okay.
173614621, which is 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's a no-point offense that doesn't go to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
I'm going to fine you $500. They'll take it out of that bond that you posted, and that
Okay.
will be the rest of the tickets will be dismissed.
Okay. Thank you.
Actually, we'll do $400 so we can take some of them civil infractions.
Okay.
All right. Do you want to take that deal, Ms. Bolton?
Yes, I do.
All right. Could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Ms. Bolton, do you understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial?
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, directing your attention to the date of July 28th, 2017. You can put your hand down. Ms. Bolton, did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your motor vehicle?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea as to case 173611462. I am going to dismiss cases 173000946, counts 1 and 2. Cases SX359486, counts 1 and 3. Case SP970581, 2 and 3. And SP769077, counts 1 and 2. Pursuant to this agreement, ma'am, I'm going to assess a fine of $400. Looks like you posted a lot of bonds in these matters. The 400 should definitely be covered by the bonds. We're going to put a review date out there for May 19th, 2021. You are good to go.
Okay, so I can get my license back.
Give it a minute for these matters to for the bonds to be applied to the tickets.
Okay.
We all set at 36th District Court.
Okay, thank you so much.
Because we're short staffed here.
Okay.
You are good to go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Bolden. Okay.
Yeah.
Was that your second person?
Nope.
I got another iPhone. Should I try the other one?
Yeah, try that one, Judge. I hope that's him.
Hello, sir. How you doing?
Good morning.
Can you tell me your name?
Devon Brown.
One second, Mr. Brown. Okay. Middle name Antonio?
Yes.
And how do you spell your name?
DEVON.
DEVON. Okay. The State
Yes.
of Michigan versus Devon Brown, case 1148606. Strike that. Case 114860762. Case C 150130111. And case 114860761. Here. All right, Mr. Brown. Sir, today is the day set for an arraignment on the warrant. Sir, let's see here. Looks like you got some civil infractions still floating out here. As to the 2011 ticket, 11571107, count 1, I'm going to dismiss this matter due to the age of the ticket. As to case C 1051301, counts 1 and 2. Mr. Brown, if you plead to the charge of driving without a license, we'll set aside the default judgment and dismiss. Actually, you know what? We'll do it this way. Sir, I'm going to dismiss the matters that I called today pursuant to an agreement. Sir, you're still going to have to take care of your civil infractions. But once you take care of those, you can get your license back.
Okay.
You go to the website, 36districtcourt.org. There's no more warrants out on your cases. Go to the website, figure out exactly what you have to owe, and then pay those off, and then you should be straight.
Okay. Okay, that'd be fine.
All right. Do you have any questions, sir?
I was going ask you about if it was possible if I could get a little help on the other traffic tickets that I owe up on.
So my thought behind
dismissing these
cases was that You know, I can't really do anything about the older tickets, but if I dismiss these cases, that's the break that I can give you. So that's why I
Okay.
did that.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Brown, you are all set unless you have another question.
No, that'd be it.
All right, sir. Well, good luck. Hope you get
All right.
that
Thank
license.
you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Looks like I'm gonna do the same thing with Blackshear. He's got a lot of civil infractions. But we'll take care of the ones with warrants. They're older tickets. Mr. Blackshear,
Yes. Yes, sir.
how you doing, sir?
Good morning.
Good morning. So, Mr. Blackshear, let me call your cases. This is State of Michigan versus Robert Blackshear, case SP 365-9461, case SP 630201, counts 1 and 2, case SX 1172036, count 1, case SX 2970123, count 2, case 16216-358, counts 1 and 2, and case 17381-219-1 and 18392-0951. Mr. Blackshear, sir, today is the date set for an arraignment on the warrant. Sir, these are the matters, these are the misdemeanor matters, traffic matters that you have. The warrants went out on these cases. I would note this is about half of the cases that you owe money on. The other ones, the civil infractions, a default judgment went out a couple of weeks after you didn't pay those tickets, and those fines are out there currently reflected as what you owe. You can check the balance or the total amount on those fines by going to the website at 36districtcourt.org, and they'll have a list of all of the cases that you owe money on. What I was going to do for you today, I'm going to remove the warrants on these misdemeanor matters that I called.
Yes.
Sir, I'm going to dismiss these cases with the understanding that you're going to take care of your civil infractions.
Yes.
So there's going to be no warrants, and you can pay them as, you know, as they come, because at this point, there'll be no time limit on it. But you won't be able to get your license back until those infractions are taken care of. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions? I know that was kind of confusing.
So I have to wait for the civil infractions to come through the mail in order to go pay them off?
No. The civil infractions are already out there.
Okay.
You can pay them off anytime. You couldn't pay the matters, the misdemeanor matters, the cases that were here today. You couldn't take care of those until you came to court. Correct. And what I did, because you came to court, I'm going to dismiss these cases and leave the matters that you just owe the money on. You just have to pay it.
Okay, and I can look those up online?
Yep. You just type in your name, Robert Anthony Blackshear, 36districtcourt.org, on the pay ticket balance part of the website, and they'll reflect what you owe.
Okay.
Okay, so sir, these matters are going to be dismissed pursuant to an agreement that you pay off your civil infractions.
Yes. I'm about to ask you to go take care of it right now.
All right, good luck, sir.
All right, thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay.
Mr. Chambers, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, sir, I don't know if you saw the chat, but I didn't realize this was a hearing date today, not the formal hearing. I could
Right.
give you impeding, or if you want a different date.
And my client would gladly accept impeding, Judge.
Okay, give me one moment. State of Michigan versus Angel Brown case SP 11007071. Mr. Chambers, can you put your appearance on?
Yes, Judge Arnie Chambers on behalf of Angel Brown.
All right. There's an offer in this matter that will allow the defendant to plead to the amended charge of impeding traffic, which is a no-point offense. The fine would be $175. Mr. Chambers, can you accept that offer on your client's behalf?
I can, Judge, yes.
Okay, well then I will. Yes.
So a notice went out, but they did not have her actual right address in Georgia. They didn't have the apartment number on there, so her license are suspended as well. So
okay, is there
Judge, I can tell you.
Oh, go ahead.
I can tell you she was trying to communicate with the court with regards to this matter, and nothing was entered into the system, and then she never received any notice.
Okay.
Due to the fact they had the wrong or an incomplete address, which was not her fault.
So wait a second. So this was set as a default?
yeah, and they suspended her license.
And they suspended her license. We'll remove the default, and I guess if there's something we could do, if there's something we could do as far as to tell the Secretary of State that was entered by mistake, then we should do that.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to enter the plea to amended charge of impeding traffic. It sets a fine at $175. Remove any default, waive any fees associated with the default, or a reinstatement fee.
Thank you, Judge.
Can your client take care of this by May 19th?
Yes, Judge.
All right, pay by May 19th.
Thank you much. I appreciate it.
You too.
Have a great day, all.
You too. It's good to see you.
Yep. You too, always.
Mr. Phillips, you got anybody down there?
Not today, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Hernandez, I don't believe I have any Spanish speakers in the room. So you are free to go.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mr. Phillips. See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Ciao. Okay.
Okay, I got Terrell Beasley. This is dismissal. Mr. Beasley, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay, this is State of Michigan versus Terrell Beasley, case SP 395-883. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 395-5841. Case SP 985-7051. And case SX 221-2501, count 1. Sir, could you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Terrell Beasley.
Okay, Mr. Beasley, sir, it looks like you're taking care of your civil infractions. So I'm going to dismiss these matters that I called pursuant to you paying those other matters off. Sir, you're still going to be responsible for reinstatement fees associated with these tickets as they went into warrant status. But you pay those off and you should be good to go.
I paid them all off in full, sir.
No, so you're going to have the reinstatement fees that you're going to have to pay that you wouldn't have to deal with until today.
Oh, okay, understand.
So you pay those and then you're good. Do you have any questions, Mr. Beasley?
My only question is, I can just head down to 36th District and just pay them?
Well, we'll prefer that you not come down here right now because of the virus, but you can pay them online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can pay them at the DivDat kiosks, which are at CVS around Detroit. There's one in front of our building as well.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, do you have any other questions?
No, sir, that's it.
All right. Well, thank you very much. And sir, have a good day.
Thank you. You have a better one.
Thank you, sir. And I got Ms. Bennett. Ms. Bennett, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ms. Bennett?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, could you state your name for the record?
Taylor Bennett.
Okay, this is State of Michigan versus Quala Bennett, case 10595-443, counts 1, 2, and 3. Case 10595-979, counts 1 and 2. In case 19491-715-1. Ms. Bennett, you're here today for an arraignment on a warrant. Ma'am, I'm going to remove all of the warrants on these matters. Ms. Bennett, if you would like to resolve this matter today, I will let you plead to the 2019 case, driving without a license, which is a no-point offense, and I will dismiss the rest of the charges. Ms. Bennett, the fine in this matter will be $240. But it looks like your bond should take care of that.
Okay.
Would you like to take that deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Miss Bennett, did anybody promise you anything other than what we talked about?
No.
You understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial?
Yeah.
All right, ma'am, directing your attention to the date of July 8th, 2019, where you pulled over in the area of Warren and Westwood.
Yes.
At that time, were you driving without a valid license?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Bennett, I'm going to accept your plea to the charge of driving without a license. Ma'am, I'm going to assess a fine of $244. Give you to May 19th, 2021 to take care of this. But Ms. Bennett, we're going to apply your bond to this ticket. So that's just formality, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, well then have a good one, ma'am.
Okay.
You too.
Judge, was that failed to display or just what she's charged with?
We'll do fail to display. Ms. Bennett, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
We might need Matt down for Rodell Brown. He's got some dog tickets lingering out there,
I'll text him right now. Good.
except for Raymond next week. Wellington Bryant. I'm giving him credit for time served.
All right.
Mr. Bryant, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me call your cases. State of Michigan versus Wellington Bryant, case 09-450-469, counts 1 and 2. Mr. Bryant, sir, could you state your name for the record?
Wellington Bryant.
Okay, Mr. Bryant, as to case 09-450-469, count 1. Actually, looks like neither of these matters have been adjudicated. The 2009 tickets, I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice due to insufficient evidence, age of the tickets. Okay, Mr. Bryant, these matters are dismissed. You're still responsible for reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. Take care of that. You should, well, take care of all your reinstatement fees and you'll be straight.
Okay, as far as me getting my license back or whatnot?
Yep, so if you pay the reinstatement fees, I think that's all you have to do. I think you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them at $45 a piece.
At how much?
I think 7 at $45 a piece, but if you go to the website, 36districtcourt.org, you can get a more accurate.
Yeah, I think she gave me the information. I think it came out to like $78, I believe. I just gotta look through it.
But look it up again because it's going to be different after today.
Oh, it might be higher. Okay, then it doesn't matter. I'll try.
No,
to
I'm
get it
saying
done.
because we dismissed 2 cases.
Okay.
So it's going to be lower.
Okay, then I appreciate it. So I got a good chance of getting my license.
Yep. All right. Good luck, Mr. Wellington.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Judge, I'm sorry. What were we doing with the last 2 cases?
Dismissed insufficient evidence, age of the ticket.
And Judge, I'm not sure if you have an offer for Mr. Rodell. Matt did write an offer for it, but I wasn't sure if it was included in what I sent you.
Okay, let me see. Matt, I know I was looking up Rodell. I didn't look at your offer yet, but I know he had some arraignments coming up next week. So that's why I got you back.
Definitely, Your Honor, yeah. He had these are dog cases, so he had a lot of dog cases. I'm just holding them to pretty much getting them licensed and getting them vaccinated because we need that, we need that to be done. And that's why I held him to these, dismiss the other ones. And I think he had one, yeah.
Oh yeah, if you included the dog tickets, then you already took care of it. You're a step ahead of me, so.
How you doing this morning, Your Honor? You doing good?
I'm doing pretty good. Trying to catch up.
Yes, sir.
B120161, B120162. Ms. Robinson, I might need your help on this one. I got Trayvon Barnes. He's charged open alcohol in a motor vehicle. As the driver, the offer is passenger.
Okay, I'm here, Judge.
Thank you.
Yeah, just let me know, Andre, if anything else. Yeah, that one is the dog cases.
Is it trial today or pre-trial, Judge?
Pre-trial.
Okay.
Mr. Barnes, sir, can you hear us?
Yes, how are you?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm great.
All right, let me call your case, sir. This is State of Michigan versus Trayvon Barnes, case 20493-3651. Mr. Barnes, sir, you're charged with one count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle as the driver. Sir, I'm going to continue your not guilty plea. Mr. Barnes, sir, there's an offer in this matter that if you wanted to take a plea today, the offer would be amended charge of open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a passenger. Sir, at this point, I'd like to put you in a private room with an attorney, Ms. Robinson. You guys can just go over what your best course of action is from here, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions so far?
Well, kind of, yes. When I originally got the ticket, the officer wrote me for that ticket and told me if I took care of all my warrants and get my license situation taken care of, that he would drop it.
Before we go any further, that's probably a question for the
For the
lawyer.
lawyer. Okay, I just wanted to know. I just wanted to get that out. All right.
I guess that was an artful way of me explaining that, but just talk to Ms.
I get
Robinson.
it.
She can help you out.
All right.
Just join the room. Tashanae Barnes is a dismissal. Mr. Barnes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me call your case real fast. The State of Michigan versus, is it Tyshawn? Tyshawn Barnes, case SP 107-97361. Mr. Barnes, sir, you're charged with one count of driving with a license that's expired. Sir, it looks like you took care of that no proof of insurance and no registration ticket. So what I'm gonna do is dismiss this license ticket because you took care of the other two. I'm also going to have the reinstatement fee waived on this matter.
Oh, thank you, sir.
So Mr. Barnes, you should be all set.
All right, thank you. You have a blessed day.
You too. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, I can just go to the Secretary of State and get my license now.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Did your number 2 ever show up? We got another iPhone.
No, Judge, because that would have been Larry Brown. So
we'll see. Maybe this is him. Hello, can you hear me? No, not yet.
Oh,
Hi.
okay. Hello.
Sir, can you tell me your name?
Rodolphus Burnett III.
All right, one second, Mr. Bennett.
Burnett.
Burnett, I'm sorry. Okay, this is State of Michigan versus Rodolphus Burnett III, case 19470-106, counts 1 and 2. Mr. Burnett, sir, you're charged one count of driving with no registration, one count of driving, no insurance. Sir, I'm gonna remove the warrants in these matters. Mr. Burnett, sir, do you have insurance or registration yet?
I'm getting that now. I'm just now getting all my tickets together.
Okay, sir, if you would like to resolve these matters today, I will let you plead to an amended charge of improper plates instead of the no insurance, which is a no point offense, and I'll dismiss the no registration charge. The fine will be $240, but I believe you posted a bond, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, the bond should cover this.
Okay.
If you like to take the plea, you also have the right to contest these tickets and take them to trial.
No, I don't like to plead.
Okay, sir, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Burnett, sir. You understand that you have the right to go to trial in these cases?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, directing your attention to the date of August 30th, 2019. Sir, were you pulled over in the area of Pembroke in Indiana?
Yes.
Sir, at that time, were you driving without insurance?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm gonna accept your plea to the amended charge of improper plates. I'm gonna dismiss the no registration charge. Sir, I'm gonna assess a fine of $240. We're gonna apply the bond to this ticket, so your bond should take care of it, and they'll send you the remainder back, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, we'll set a review date for May 19th, sir, but that's just a control date. The ticket should be taken care of by then.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Burnett.
Thank you too.
All right, Ms. Robinson, did you have a chance to talk with Mr. Barnes?
Yes, I did. He would like a trial date.
Okay. Mr. Barnes, sir, I'd like to set this matter for a trial date. Can we do May 19th as a trial date, Ms. Byes?
Yes, Judge.
Let's see if that works for Mr. Barnes.
Yes, it works. I'm writing it down now.
Okay. We'll set it for a trial
You said May 19th?
May 19th at 9 o'clock. And just zoom in like you're doing today, okay?
Okay. 9 a.m. Same number and everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.
You're welcome.
All right.
Yeah, one left. Wodell Brown. He's got some dog tickets that's supposed to be arraigned next week. Let's see here. No dog license. No dog restraint. Animal cruelty. Failure to vaccinate dog at large. There was an offer if you pled to no dog license, no dog restraint, animal cruelty. Those will be taken as a delayed sentence for 6 months. And then they'll dismiss the rest of his cases, including the. But, you know, he might want to take a trial. We'll see. Mr. Brown, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me call your cases. Sir, your middle name's Antoine? I'm sorry.
Yes.
All right. Okay, we're here today in case SX 564376, counts 1, 2, and 3. One charge of open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a driver, 1 count of no registration, and 1 count of an expired license. Also here on cases 19522-829, counts 1 and 2, which is 1 count of driving without a license another count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle as a driver. These matters are all in warrant status. So we're going to remove the warrants from these 5 cases. Sir, we also have tickets that are up next week for arraignment. B120-15820, B120-15920, B120-16020, B120-16120, and V120-16220. Sir, these are all, lack of a better word, dog cases. Charged with 1 count of no dog license, 1 count of dog not restrained, 1 count of animal cruelty, 1 count of failure to vaccinate a dog, and 1 count of having a dog at large. Sir, I'm going to enter not guilty pleas on your behalf. These are all misdemeanors with a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in jail or a $500 fine. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf for these matters. Okay. So, sir, there is an offer today that if you wanted to take care of all of these, the city is asking that you plead to the dog ticket, 3 of the dog tickets. Let's see. No license, no restraint, and animal cruelty. These matters will all be taken as a delayed sentence. 1 second here. Let me see if there's any other terms. Okay, yeah, these matters will all be taken as a delayed sentence. If you don't pick up another ticket like this, like these within the next 6 months, and you pay the fine, then these matters will be dismissed. And we'll dismiss the rest of the tickets that you have completed that. Sir, at this point, I'd like to place you in a room with an attorney, Ms. Robinson, to discuss your options going forward and figure out if you want to take the plea or if it might be better to take it to trial. I don't know. But I'd like to let you have a chance to talk in private to let the attorney know what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Robinson, do you need anything from me at this point? I'm sorry, you're on mute. I think.
Well, I guess that would help. 6 months delayed is the offer, Judge?
Yep, on no dog license, no restraint, animal cruelty, with the dismissal of failure to vaccinate, the dog at large, and then the 5 traffic matters, open intox as the driver, no registration, no license. Second incident, no license and open intox.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so Mr. Brown, I'm opening the breakout room. The second. Just join the room.
Okay.
That's our last one.
Well, I tried, Mr. Brown. You gonna get that show call date?
Oh no, then I can go do my other docket.
Yeah.
Then the show causes. I got a lot of show causes. Son.
Yeah.
Okay. Ms. Robinson,
Yes, Judge.
how are we proceeding today?
He would like to plead guilty, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Brown, sir, could you raise your right hand? You promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right, Mr. Brown, sir, did you have a chance to, well, sir, you understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial.
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything other than what we talked about today?
No.
All right, sir, directing your attention to the date of February 18th, 2020, sir. Did you have a dog without a license in the area of 11700 Wilshire?
Yes.
All right. Same date, sir, did you have a dog not restrained on that day at the same address?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, at that time, in that same day, did you engage in animal cruelty?
Did I? Yes.
All right. So I'm going to accept your pleas as case B120158220, B120015920, and B1201620. Sir, the rest of the matters that I called will be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine in total of $440 as to the animal tickets.
Okay.
Sir, you have 6 months to take care of this. If you don't pick up a ticket like this within the next 6 months, these matters will be dismissed and the fine is paid. Ms. Dodge, do we have a 6-month date?
October 21st.
So we'll set a review for October 21st, 2021 at 9 o'clock. Sir, if these matters are paid, you do not have to attend that hearing. The rest of the matters that I called today will be dismissed.
How much you say that was? How much was the total?
$440 for the animal tickets.
Okay, look, I have one question, right? I paid $700 bond on those tickets. Will they be assessed to this?
They could. So yeah, we'll assess them to the tickets.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any other questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Then that concludes this hearing.
All right. Have a great day.
You too. All right. Thank you all. That's it for me.
Okay, good.
All right. Yeah, I'm here if you need me. I'm just doing a different docket.
Okay.
All right.
See you.